Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Podi Dosa like hotel at your home. So this recipe is very easy guys. So let's start. So for the Podi Dosa, what you need, here I have the homemade dosa batter and I'm going to pour this dosa batter in this tawa. You can use the non-stick also. And so in the surroundings, I'm adding some oil. If you want to add ghee, you can add ghee also. And in this, I'm going to add some chopped onion. Cook it in the low flame guys, otherwise it will burn. And in the top, I'm going to add the gunpowder, that is podi. So in this, I'm going to sprinkle this homemade podi. And in the top, I'm going to add some oil again. You will get the hotel Podi dosa guys. So this is how they make at hotel. And so can you see the color of the dosa guys? My Podi dosa is ready. And this Podi dosa you can prepare very easily. And I'm going to put this one in the plate. So here I am making one more. Same guys. I'm going to add some onion in this dosa. So this is onion podi dosa. And I'm going to sprinkle some podi into this. No side dish is required guys, because I added lot of podi inside the dosa. If you want, you can add, you can prepare some chutney for you. And in this, I'm going to add some butter in the top. So I added some butter into this. Can you see? It started melting. It gives a nice taste. And I'm not going to turn this dosa. So it will look like this. And it's time to remove. So can you see guys? So here I added the podi and I'm going to add some oil in this podi. So yeah. So this is the quick video of how to make onion podi dosa like hotel at your home. See you soon in my other cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. And you can have this dosa with sambar, coconut chutney, garlic chutney, red chutney, peanut chutney. So any chutney up to your choice. And we are going to have this one with the gunpowder. See you soon. Bye.